Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this another schedule of returning and getting another set of self-learning modules for quarter 1, week 5. Once again, this is Teacher May. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Hello, everyone. Let me present to you our weekly home learning plan for grade 1 level, quarter 1, week 5, November 3 to 6, 2020. So we have day and time, learning area, learning competency, learning task, and mode of delivery. For edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, 1, the learning competencies are the following. Nakakikilala ng mga gawaing nagpapakita ng pagkakabuklod ng pamilya tulad ng pagsasama-sama sa pagkain, pagdarasal, pamamasyal, pagkukwentuhan ng masasayang pangyayari. That is for ESP 1, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao. So, there are learning tasks given. Basahin at suriin ang konteksto ng module, ang aralin at bumubuo dito. Aralin 1, subukin, sulay page 4. Balikan, baliklantaw, pahina 4 or page 5. Tuklasin, diskubrihi, pages 5 to 6. Alamin, ukat uni, pahina 6 to 7. Pagyamanin, pagpauswag, pahina 7 to 8. Tandaan, hinumdumi, page 8. Gawin or buhata, pages 8 to 9. Pagsusi, pahina 9. Karagdagang gawain, dugang buhaton, page 10. And for Aralin 2 of ESP, we have assigned ang Aralin 2, pahina 13. Baliktanaw, pahina 14. Diskubrihe, pahina 14. Kat-uni, pahina 15. Pagpauswag, we have pahina 16. Hinumdumi, pahina 16. Gawin o buhata, pahina 17. Pagsusi, pahina 17. Dugang buluhaton, pahina 18. And for Aralin 3, we have subukin, sulay, pahina 20. Balikan or baliklantaw, pahina 21. Diskubrihi, pahina 22. Kat-uni sa pahina 22 to 23. Pagpauswag, pahina 23. Hinumdumi, pahina 23. Buhata, pahina 23. Pagsusi, pahina 24. And that is for the ESP, the first subject that the parents and guardians should supervise their children. After this, there will be a lunch break. So, muhunok sa ang mga bata sa answer sa maong module sa edukasyon sa pagpapakatao before to proceed to the MTB-MLE or the Mother Tongue-Based Multilingual Education. Mode of delivery for ESP1, we have pakikipag-ugnayan sa magulang sa araw, oras at personal na pagbibigay at pagsauli ng module sa paaralan at upang magagawa ng mag-aaral ng tiyak ang module. Pagsubaybay sa progreso ng mga mag-aaral sa bawat gawain sa pamamagitan ng text, call, FB at internet. Pagbibigay ng maayos na gawain sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng malinaw na instruksyon sa pagkatuto. Maraming salamat. After the lunch break, the parents or guardians will continue to supervise and guide the children for another subject, which is the MTB1 or the Mother Tongue-Based Multilingual Education. So, for the learning competencies, these are the following. Makaila sa mga pulong nagaray sa kanta ug balak. Makasulti kung ang paris nga pulong nagaray ba o wala. Makaila sa gamay ug dako nga mga letra sa alpabeto. makahatag sa ngalan o tingog sa mga letra, makahatag sa unang tingog sa ngalan sa mga hunagway, makasulat sa husto sa mga dako o gamay nga letra sa alpabeto. And for the learning tasks are the following. Understand and answer the following activities of Module 1. A. Unsa ang akong nahibaluan? Page 2. B. Pagsukod sa akong nakatunan, pages 2 to 3. C. Sulayi o katuni, page 3. D. Pagsusi, page 3. Pages 4 to 5. Mga pagbansay, pages 6 to 8. Hinumdumi kini, page 9. Buhatag kini, page 10. Pagsukod sa nabaluan, pages 11 to 12. Pugdugang buluhaton, pages 13. That's for MTB MLE 1 or Mother Tongue Based Multilingual Education. And for the mode of delivery are the following. Parents and guardians will hand in the output to the teacher and at the same, the distribution for the new set of self-learning modules in the respective classroom on the date and time scheduled. That's all. Thank you. We have for Mathematics 1. Learning competencies are the following. Reads and writes numbers up to 100 in symbols and in words. We have the code, competency code, and we have to understand and answer the following activities of Module 5, Week 5. Unsa ang akong makatunan? Page 1. Sukda ang imong nahibaluan, pages 2 to 9. Sukda ang imong nakatunan, page 10. Sulayi o katuni, pages 11 to 12. Pagsusi, pages 13 to 14. Mga pagbansay, pages 15 to 16. Hinumdumi kini, pages 17-18. Buhatag kini, page 19. Pagsukod sa kabaluan, page 20. Dugang nga buluhaton, page 21. And after that is for another lunch break. This is second day of the week. So mathematics will fall to Tuesday, 9:30 to 11:30. And after which, lunch break, manyod to ang bata. Then, the subject to be followed will be Araling Panlipunan. Will start possibly at 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But it depends upon the parents and guardians who supervise the children. Araling Panlipunan 1. Naihahambing ang sariling kwento o karanasan sa buhay sa kwento at karanasan ng mga kamag-anak, kamag-aral, ibang miyembro ng pamilya gaya ng mga kapatid, mga magulang, nung sila ay nasa parehong edad, mga pinsan at iba pa o mga kapitbahay. Learning task. Unsa ang akong makatunan? Page 1. Sukda ang imong nahibaluan. Pages 1 to 2. Sukda ang imong nakatunan. Page 3. Sulayi o katuni. Page 4. Pagsusi. Page 5. Mga pagbansay. Pages 5 to 7. Hinumdumi kini. Page 8. Buhatag kini. Page 9. Pagsukod sa nabaluan. Page 11. Dugang buluhaton. Page 12. That is for Araling Panlipunan 1. And for Wednesday, Music 1. To 8 simple ostinato patterns in groupings of 2s, 3s, and 4s through body movements. Understand and answer the following activities of Module 1. Pangitaa, page 1. Sulayi, page 2 to 7. Balikan, page 8. Pagdiskubre, pages 9 to 10. Pagsusi, page 11. Palambuon, pages 11 to 15. And we have Buhata, pages 16 Hulagway, pages 17 to 21. Dugang Buluhaton, pages or page 23. And for the arts, 1. Uses different drawing tools or materials, pencil, crayons, piece, charcoal, stick on different papers, sinamay, leaves, tree bark, and other local materials to create his drawing about oneself, one's family, home, and school as a means of self-expression. Understand and answer the following activities of Module 1, Evaluate page 1, Sulay pages 1 to 2, Baliklantaw page 2, Discovery page 3, Katuni page 3, Sairi pages 4 to 5, Pagpauswag pages 5 to 7, Buhata pages 7 to 8, Hinumdumi page 8, Pagsusi pages 8 to 9, and Dugang Buluhaton pages 10 to 11. That is for Arts 1. And by Thursday, we have the Physical Education 1. Pagpakita og timbang, makahimo og mga buluhaton nga makalingaw ug adunay physical nga koordinasyon. Understand and answer the following activities. Unsa ang akong nakatunan page 1. Sukda ang imong nahibaluan page 2. Read and understand pagtulunan pages 3 to 4. Sukda ang imong nakatunan page 3. Sulayi ug katuni page 4. Pagsusi page 5. Mga pagbansay pages 7 to 10. Hinumdumi kini pages 11 to 13. That is for Physical Education 1. And which will be followed by health. Mapasabot ang epekto sa mga dili masustansyang pagkaon nga makapaluya o makahatag og nagkalain-laing sakit sa atong lawas. Understand and answer the following activities of Module. Sairi page 6. Sulayi, Subukin pages 7 to 8. Baliklantaw page 9. Discovery page 10. Katuni pages 11 to 12. Pagpauswag pages 13 to 14. Hinumdumi pages 14 to 15. Buhata pages 16 to 17. And Pagsusi page 18. Parents and guardian will hand in the output to the teacher and at the same time the distribution for the new set of self-learning modules in the respective classroom on the date and time schedule. And for Friday, follow up parents through text, FB call, and messenger, gather parents' feedback, and virtual parent-teacher conference. Prepared by yours truly, Master Teacher 1, Hazel May Ibaligyan, Teacher 2, Charita L. Dango, Teacher 1, Marcel M. Toso, and our school principal, noted by Ma'am Concepcion I. Galientes, the school principal of the O Elementary School. This is our weekly home learning plan for grade 1, quarter 1, week 5, November 3 to 6. Happy learning, everyone! Morning, sir. Say good morning, Sir Dad. What's up? So video ko. Good morning, everyone. We have our head teacher, Dr. Dutch, for presenting. Kita kayo sa Kindly remove your face mask for a while. Para makita yung beauty. So, this is teacher Maricel Doso, one of the very beautiful teachers here in the All Elementary School, especially in grade 1 na.
Thank you.
Do you agree?
I agree.
So, what are you busy at, Ma'am Sel?
Thank